Alex, Engineering Manager.
Sam, Platform Lead.
Sam, why does launching a new service still take 2 weeks?
Because every new app needs infrastructure, IAM, CI or CD, namespaces, and security controls. And right now, we're doing all of it manually.
And every team has to go through platform?
Every time. More apps mean more tickets, more approvals, and more repeated setup.
So platform becomes the bottleneck.
Exactly. And the bigger we grow, the worse it gets.
What about security?
That's part of the problem too. Manual setup means inconsistent IAM, inconsistent deployment patterns, and too much tribal knowledge.
That doesn't scale.
No. We need a standard way to onboard and deploy applications.
Like what?
Like Vertro.
What's that?
A self-service platform for Google Cloud. Developers request a new app once. Vertro handles the repos, infrastructure, IAM, CI or CD, and deployment path automatically.
So developers move faster, and platform keeps control?
Exactly.